Good morning, everyone. Welcome back to our channel. Today, we're diving into some hot topics that are moving markets around the world.
That's right, Maximum. We are talking Federal Reserve decisions, a bit of a letdown from China, and some drastic measures out of Argentina. A lot to cover, so let's get started.
First up, the Federal Reserve. They've decided to hold rates steady for the third consecutive meeting. Sophia, what's the buzz around this?
Well, despite yesterday's inflation report showing a pickup in consumer prices, the Fed's taking a cautious approach. They are pushing back against expectations of any rate cuts next year. It's all about seeing how current policies play out in the economy.
It's a big test for the markets. U.S. stock futures are up slightly, but bonds and the dollar are pretty much flat. Investors are watching this closely.
Moving over to China, expectations were high for major economic stimulus, but it seems investors might have to wait a bit longer, huh?
Exactly, Sophia. China's leaders are prioritizing industrial policy over sweeping stimulus measures. No big surprises, but definitely a disappointment for those hoping for quick action to boost the struggling property sector.
And speaking of quick action, let's talk about Argentina. New President Javier Milei is shaking things up with some serious shock therapy.
Shock is right, devaluing the currency by 54% and slashing government spending to tackle their fiscal deficit. Tough measures for tough times.
And we can't forget the global stage COP28 in Dubai, just wrapped up with a landmark deal on fossil fuels.
This deal marks the first commitment to transition away from all fossil fuels, with major players like the US, EU, and even oil-producing nations on board. A significant step forward.
Before we wrap up, let's quickly touch on what else we've been watching. SpaceX's valuation is soaring. There's a $3.5 trillion debt crisis brewing among the world's poorest countries, and Japan is grappling with a major political scandal.
And not to miss the ongoing COVID situation, with Asia seeing a resurgence and bringing back masks and scanners.
That's a wrap for today's episode. What do you think about these developments? Let us know in the comments below.
Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell to stay updated with our latest videos. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next one.